Between now and say 11 a.m. here this morning, we're looking at just scattered showers around the Metroplex, cloudy, breezy, and muggy otherwise. But as we head toward 11 o'clock, we are going to see those thunderstorms starting to increase in coverage across the area. We'll have that initial round of thunderstorms moving through around midday or so, give or take a little bit as we get into the afternoon. So I do think for the drive home, there will be some thunderstorms that we'll have to deal with, and that potential, as we've talked about, for some strong and severe thunderstorms as well. So the heavy rain, the strong winds, that's going to be the primary concern. A lower in risk for some hail, and that isolated tornado threat can't be ruled out as we get into the afternoon. 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. I think there will be lower coverage with the showers and storms, but still that potential for some severe weather, especially east and south of the Metroplex as we head on into this evening. In the meantime, 72 degrees taking you on out to downtown Dallas. We'll have the cloudy skies and the scattered light rain around out there right now. Here's what it looks like on radar. Not a whole lot around the Metroplex. It starts to pick up, the light rain does, a little farther west as we get over the western parts of Tarrant County and a little farther west. So that's that initial round of light to moderate rain. But look at the thunderstorms that have lined up a little farther west, well west of Wichita Falls, approaching Abilene right now, looking at those stronger storms. So we'll keep an eye on that initial line as it begins to move into the western parts of North Texas a little bit later this morning, and then maybe impacting the Metroplex around midday here for today. So as we take a look at our timing with the thunderstorms around as we head toward lunchtime, as we mentioned, thunderstorms moving through, and I think that's when we'll have the potential for some gusty winds. The initial round of thunderstorms, that potential for severe weather, going to be a little bit lower for us, but that will increase, I think, as the front begins to approach a little bit later in the day, heading on into this evening, especially east and south of the Metroplex, that potential for the strong and severe thunderstorms. But notice the coverage, again, as we talked about, will be lower, but still that strong, severe thunderstorm possibility is going to be with us. Now, beyond that, after we head toward midnight and after heading toward tomorrow morning, this is around 7 a.m. All that should be behind us. Maybe a few leftover roadways out there that could be wet for the morning commute, but we'll have some very gusty northwest winds for tomorrow, ushering in the cooler and drier air. So as we look at that 10-day forecast for you, temperatures today warm into the mid-70s, falling back into the upper 60s this afternoon, and we won't get out of the 60s for tomorrow. Low 70s on Wednesday, so through the middle of the week it is going to be pleasant for us, and then we'll have that next chance for some showers and thunderstorms Thursday night going into Friday, and a bigger cool down coming our way Friday with highs only in the lower 60s, and then we'll be in the upper 60s to around 70 heading into the weekend. So a nice fall weekend coming our way as we head into Saturday and Sunday. All right, one more check on traffic. Your station.
Yeah.